Hello student, good morning. I hope you understood the lesson, the will of the merchant. Okay, the will of the merchant. I'll send you this notes PDF, okay? And the new words. What you want to do? The will of the merchant heading and the date. I have given some words. Okay, underline words you should do it. Okay, new words you should write it over. Okay, before that writing you should write a drawing I told, no, you should draw it over. And what next is question answers I'll send in the PDF. Next is what? Now I'll give you the homework. What you want to do is, which class is this? 5th standard. Your homework is, this is one story. Okay. One story. You should create one story and write in your own words. You should write in your own words and send it to me in WhatsApp. Into this WhatsApp number itself. Okay. You should only do your own story and write it. Okay. It should be correct, meaningful, and a moral. Here they have given, look at the given picture and develop a story. Write the moral of the story too. Okay, there is one moral in this. You should write from starting 1 to 6. You should only write a story and moral you should put in the last. In a sheet of paper, ruled paper. Don't tear in the book and all. Just take a ruled paper, write in that. Okay. And send me in the WhatsApp. While coming for next class, correction of the notebook or class, you should bring that paper. Okay, there is a grade to that. Coming to next lesson. What is that next lesson? Next lesson is the extra chapatis. Extra chapatis means, extra means what? Left one more, chapati. Okay, you have eaten chapati? You have eaten breakfast and all, no? So much different variety of breakfast. Okay, chapati, puri, what parota, like that. Even chapati made of atta means made of wheat means godi. Okay, see page number 37. What you want to do is, after completing this notes, I'll send you in the PDF. After completing, again you should write the extra chapati heading, the date. Okay, one drawing of this. I'll send you some new words you should write. How many times? You should be knowing how many times by now. Okay, write clean handwriting. Okay, let us start the lesson. Read this short story. Okay, this is what short story. This is what about the beggar. How beggar will do. What and all he'll eat. How honest he is. That's a beggar story. Let us start from here. Once there was a poor man. Okay, poor means you should be knowing now. This is a poor man, beggar man, poor. Though poor, his heart was full of compassion. Okay, for others. What? His heart full of love for others. He was very much loving to others. Okay, because everybody will give food to eat, no? So, is very much thanking them. Once he was about to eat the single piece of bread he had. Bread, you have seen, no? Bread. Yeah. Once what he did? Once he was about to eat the single piece of bread he had. He was having a single piece, means single slice. In the bread they will do slices and give, no? Yeah, in that one piece he was having. He was about to eat. When he heard a knock at the door, on opening the door, he found a beggar standing at the door. What he did? What he did? Somebody came and knocked the door. Okay, he saw the beggar was standing outside the door. Okay. The beggar was very hungry. See, he's a beggar, he was very hungry. A poor man was started to eat a piece of slice of bread, but somebody knocked the door. That's a beggar. He was very much hungry, he thought. Okay. The beggar blessed what he did, the poor man gave the piece of bread to the beggar. What he did, that poor man, he gave that piece what he had in his hand to the beggar. The beggar blessed man and gave him an empty wooden bowl. What he did? What he did? The beggar blessed the man and gave him an empty wooden bowl. The beggar, what he did? He gave an empty wooden bowl. He was having an empty wooden bowl. He gave that to him. Then he went away. He went away. The poor man incidentally turned the bowl upside. The poor man, what he did? He took the bowl and he did like this. Ulta he did. Upside down. And oh, there was all kind of delicious in front of him. He saw all type of food was in front of him. He understood that the beggar was God in disguise. Okay. Then what did this poor man did? The beggar was, how he came? The beggar was God. Okay. He came like a beggar. God came like a beggar. He came. Okay, he came like a beggar. He knocked the door of some poor man. There, what he was having, that poor man, he gave what he was having in the hand. So that beggar man who was God gave the bowl to the poor man. Then he did upside down. So much delicious food was there. Then he thought, the poor man thought, is a God. Okay, he came to test me, he thought. Okay, who had came to test him. Okay, he thought he came to test me so that I'll give what. Okay, they will do, no? God will do testing to everybody. They'll tell, no? My parents will tell. Devaru ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. They'll tell like that? Yeah. So, what might the poor man have done with the magic bowl? Now he is having a bowl that was given by the God. That's a magic bowl. What he'll do next? That's a coming next para. What he will do in this bowl? Okay, this man is a beggar. Beggar who came like God gave the bowl to the poor man. Okay, what he will do in this bowl? What are the good things he'll do? That's a coming up lesson. Okay. Thank you, student. If you are if you don't know any words or any sentence or anything, better call me to this number so that I can tell you the word what you don't know. Okay. Thank you. Whichever wordings you didn't understand, better call me. Yeah. Thank you.